Hi, we are here to introduce the final project for CS125. What we made is an app that can check whether the date is a holiday or not. Here's the general view of the app. If we enter the name of the country, the year, the month, and the day, and then click the check button, we can see whether the date we enter is a holiday or not in certain countries. For example, let's check in the United States, and in the year 2017, February the 14th, we can see that that day is a Valentine's Day. And if we try like May the 4th, we can see that that day is a Star Wars Day. It's quite interesting to see lots of holidays that we don't know before. And if we enter the date like May the 3rd, we can see that that day is not a holiday. And let's do another example. If we enter a country like China, and in the year 2018, in February the 16th, we can see that that day is the Chinese New Year. And here is the API key of our app. There are three required parameters: the key, the country, and the year. These three required parameters are also appear in the URL of the API. Here is the key, the country, and the year. And here is the possible results of different dates. There are also optional parameters of the API key. Here, for example, the month and the day. If we type in one more parameters like the month, we can see that the results are actually narrowed down. And there is also a specific format for the countries that are required to enter. Be sure to enter the countries in this specific format.
I'll talk about the UI design and how we write the code. Our UI is really simple. On the top, there is a text view with text "Enter the country." It gives instructions to the users, and below it, it's where to enter the country. As introduced before, what's entered has to follow a specific format. Here is where to enter the date, including the year, month, and the day. And there is a button called Check. When you click it, the result will pop up below it. Code we wrote, it's kind of similar to Lab 12. We have onCreate to set the button. When we click the button, it starts to create a specific URL for each date. So we used a function to append all the query parameters. After the URL is created, API call starts. After setting the button, we have a method finish_set to set the output, which is also called in API call, because it takes the response of API call as argument. Then we have API call here using JSON object request. What's more, we created a new class called holiday. There is only a method to extract the information we need from the JSON result.